Imagine a sudden and intense burst of radiation, erupting with the power of millions of hydrogen bombs. This is what is known as the solar flare, one of the most powerful phenomena in our solar system. Solar flares originate from the sun's atmosphere, specifically in active regions around sunspots. These are areas where intense magnetic fields penetrate the photosphere, linking the corona to the solar interior. When these magnetic fields become too tangled, they release stored energy, resulting in a solar flare. This energy accelerates charged particles in the surrounding plasma, causing emission of electromagnetic radiation across the spectrum. Solar flares affect all layers of the solar atmosphere: the photosphere, chromosphere, and the corona. The plasma medium is heated to over 10 million kelvins, and particles are accelerated to near the speed of light. The high-energy radiation from the solar flares is absorbed by Earth's upper atmosphere, particularly the ionosphere. This can interfere with any shortwave radio communication. Solar flares are often accompanied by another phenomenon known as coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These are large explosions of plasma and magnetic fields from the sun's corona. When a CME reaches Earth, it can cause a geomagnetic storm. This can lead to auroras, but it also poses a risk to satellites, power grids, and communication systems. The high-energy particles from a solar flare can reach Earth in just 8 minutes, while a CME can take 1 to 3 days. The difference in speed gives us time to prepare for potential impacts. The frequency of solar flares varies between the sun's 11-year activity cycle. During solar maximum, there could be several flares a day, while during a solar minimum, it might be less than 1 per week. Solar flares are monitored by a network of satellites and ground-based observatories. These instruments can detect radiation emitted by flares, which provide an early warning of potential impacts on Earth. And of course, this is the end of my explanation. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you next time.